Welcome to Anders Park, one of the most charming and family-friendly neighborhoods in Red Deer. Whether you're a young family, a professional, or a retiree, this community offers something for everyone. If you're looking for a perfect blend of suburban tranquility and easy access to city amenities, then stick around because we're going to take you on a tour of Anders Park. Located in the southeast corner of Red Deer, Anders Park is a vibrant community known for its warm, welcoming families and convenient access to a variety of shops and services. Whether you're grabbing your groceries from the much-loved Central Alberta Co-op Deer Park food store or Save On Foods, or enjoying the beautiful outdoor spaces, Anders Park has it all. Anders Park is home to several stunning parks, complete with walking paths, playgrounds, picnic areas, and open green spaces perfect for spending time outdoors. One of the biggest is McLean Park, where you'll often find both kids and adults enjoying the fresh air. And if you're feeling hungry, there are some fantastic restaurants nearby like Mucho Burrito Fresh Mexican Grill and Dairy Queen Grill and Chill. For those looking to unwind in the evening, Chillabong's Bar and Grill is the local favorite to kick off a great night. If you're considering making Anders Park your home, you'll find a great mix of housing options. From traditional single-family homes to more contemporary styles, this area caters to middle-class families and offers a peaceful, small-town feel. Despite its quiet, family-friendly vibe, Anders Park is only minutes away from Red Deer's lively downtown. Take a short drive along 50th Avenue, and you'll find retail shops and marketplaces, or head further north to 49th Avenue to explore Red Deer's bustling downtown core. For golf enthusiasts, Victoria Park Disc Golf Course is just minutes away. It's the perfect spot to tee off with friends or family. Plus, with the retirement community of Victoria Park nearby, it's a wonderful place not just for young families, but for our grandparents too, with top-tier amenities and services for the elderly. Want some fun family time? Anders Park is minutes away from the Collicutt Center, one of Red Deer's most popular leisure and fitness destinations. This massive 23,000 square meter facility features everything from leisure pools and water slides to indoor climbing walls and gymnastics. No matter your age, the Collicutt Center has something for everyone. Hockey fan? You're in luck. The Peavey Mart Centrium, formerly the NMAX Centrium, is just a few kilometers away. Home to the Red Deer Rebels, this multi-purpose stadium seats up to 8,000 spectators and has hosted countless events, competitions, and shows. Families with kids will love the education options in Anders Park. St. Elizabeth Seton School is right in the neighborhood, and there are several other top-rated elementary schools nearby, including Don Campbell School, Maddie McCullough School, and G.W. Smith School. With so many schools in close proximity, Anders Park is the perfect place for families to raise children in a supportive, tight-knit community. Whether you're looking for outdoor adventures, great schools, or simply a peaceful neighborhood to call home, Anders Park is a fantastic choice. With easy access to Red Deer's amenities and a wide variety of activities for all ages, this community is truly one of the gems of the city. In addition to the recreational and educational offerings, Anders Park also boasts a strong sense of safety and community involvement, making it an ideal place to settle down. The neighborhood is known for its active community association, which regularly organizes events and meetings to address local concerns and foster a close-knit environment. From annual neighborhood cleanup days to holiday-themed celebrations like Halloween parades and Christmas light displays, there's always something that brings residents together. Another aspect that makes Anders Park appealing is its accessibility to healthcare services. Red Deer Regional Hospital Center, one of the largest healthcare providers in the region, is just a short drive away. For everyday needs, there are several medical clinics, pharmacies, and dental offices in the area, ensuring that residents have access to top-notch medical care without traveling far. Transportation in and around Anders Park is convenient as well. The neighborhood is well served by Red Deer's public transit system, making it easy for residents to commute to work or explore the city. For those who prefer driving, the community's strategic location provides quick access to major highways like the Queen Elizabeth II Highway, linking residents to Edmonton, Calgary, and beyond. Another underrated feature of Anders Park is its eco-friendly initiatives. The community is actively working on green projects such as waste reduction programs and tree planting initiatives. The neighborhood encourages sustainability with community composting programs and recycling efforts, aligning with Red Deer's broader environmental goals. The green spaces around Anders Park are not only beautiful, but also serve as a reminder of the community's commitment to preserving the environment for future generations. Lastly, for those who appreciate the arts and culture, Anders Park is not far from Red Deer's growing art scene. Local galleries, artisan markets, and cultural events frequently pop up downtown, offering residents easy access to a range of creative activities. The Red Deer Public Library, a few minutes away, is also a great resource for readers, hosting book clubs, author events, and activities for all ages. With its strong community spirit, excellent amenities, and convenient access to both nature and the city's cultural hubs, Anders Park is more than just a residential neighborhood. It's a place where families grow, friendships form, and memories are made. Thanks for watching. What do you think of Anders Park? Drop a comment below and let us know if you've visited or lived in this fantastic neighborhood.